Hello everyone, if you are using InVideo AI and want to delete a workspace on your phone, I have got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. So let's jump right in. First things first, open up the InVideo AI app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on this back button right here and tap on your profile icon, which you will usually find in the bottom right corner. Now tap on members and here you will be seeing your workspace. Here you can see delete workspace. Tap on it to proceed. Tap on delete again. And that's it. The workspace will be removed from your dashboard. If you need to delete another workspace, simply repeat the process. That's how you delete a workspace in InVideo AI. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more tips and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.